So, how was your Thanksgiving break?
Oh, it was really good. You know, I got to spend a lot of time with my friends and my family, done my hair.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. How about you? How was your Thanksgiving break?
It was interesting, I was actually in charge of the turkey this year, so it was pretty fun.
Oh, turkey?
Yeah.
It's kind of gross. I'm more of a ham person.
Oh my god, seriously. Turkey's like, it defines Thanksgiving. It's like the iconic thing.
But it's like dry.
Not when I cook it. Oh my gosh, of course you're a ham person. What else do you like? Apple pie?
I bet you like pecan pie.
It's pronounced pecan.
Of course you say it that way.
Of course you say it that way.
Anything you're thankful for this year?
I'm thankful for not choosing that bad hair color.
Well, I'm thankful that I can learn my lines.
You don't have to go that far.
Well, you don't have to eat turkey for Thanksgiving. We are proud to announce the launch of our very first drone technology program at Loera and Ball Junior High.
The ribbon cutting ceremony was hosted at Loera High School and included drone simulators, video editing, live drone demos, and drone races.
Be on the lookout for the drone technology video on our social medias.
And if you guys didn't know, here are our social medias.
You can find us on Instagram at Anaheim Union,
You can follow us on Twitter at Anaheim UHSD.
on Facebook at Anaheim Union,
And lastly, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel at AUHSD Communications. Red Ribbon Week was held in October, a week dedicated to substance use prevention. Although Red Ribbon Week was held in October, this is a topic that needs to be spoken about year-round.
During the COVID-19 years of 2020 and 2021, drug and alcohol-related deaths increased notably across the country. However, the most dramatic changes in mortality were amongst youth in Orange County.
From ages 10 to 17 years, the number of deaths from drugs and alcohol increased by 800% from 2019 to 2020, and another 122% from 2020 to 2021.
Although the number of deaths were relatively small compared to other age groups, the fact that this age group would normally have 0 or 1 deaths in pre-pandemic years compared to 9 deaths in 2020 and 20 deaths in 2021 makes this rise in mortality a concerning trend.
Oh wow. I didn't realize how serious that all got in the past few years.
Yeah, well, you know, it's a serious issue and it's something that our students really needed to be aware of.
That's very true.
But on a lighter note, PBS visited AUHSD for a segment called Inside California Education, focusing on community schools.
The PBS crew interviewed staff and students to discuss the innovative projects happening across our district.
Here's an exclusive clip from our State Superintendent, Tony Thurman, talking about AUHSD community schools.
You know, today is a great day to be able to visit a wonderful garden that's providing healthy food at a time when there are all these food deserts where people can't get food or healthy food. And so grateful to be able to visit one today and to see what the Anaheim Union District is doing with the investments that are coming from the state. We have universal meals so that there's free meals for every student, and those need to be healthy meals so that we can help our students and our families to prevent and treat diabetes and obesity and heart disease. And so we want to keep everybody healthy. It's great to be able to visit programs that are doing that here today.
So those are all the announcements we have for this week's episode.
We just wanted to welcome back everybody from Thanksgiving break.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
And as always, I'm Ronnie.
No. Wait, what? Wait,
Yeah, we're doing the bit, remember?
No,
You're Dulce, I'm Ronnie.
No, we already did that last season.
They don't remember. It was like season 1. We're on season 2.
I can just show them right now. Here's a clip.
No, don't touch that clip. Use this clip. Now, use this one. This one. Okay. And as always, I'm Ronnie. Say it.
Sorry, can we start all over?
Fine. But this time, don't mess up. You get one more take and that's it. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Outro, last take. marker.
Wait, what did you write?